Hello, what's up YouTube people, welcome back to MP World and welcome to another solution based video. In this video today I'm going to show you how to eject your SIM card from your iPhone. So some people they might know about this, but some people they don't know about this. So this is very simple to eject your SIM card from your iPhone. So this is iPhone 14 Pro Max and this phone is having dual SIM card. So first I will eject my SIM card with this pin, ejector pin. You have to press it a little bit harder, and after that remove the SIM tray, and you can see here this SIM card slot is having two SIM card. You can see here there is no numbering on iPhone SIM card tray, but we can, like if you notice on other phone there is having SIM card numbering, SIM card slot 1 and SIM card slot 2, but on iPhone there is no SIM card slot numbering. So like if you insert your SIM on one side and another side, then first one will be one and the another side one will be the second one. So first I will insert my first SIM. So this SIM card I'm inserting here, and another SIM I have to this side you have to hold like this, and you have to insert the another SIM card tray here. But make sure one thing, like both SIM is having a perfect chip. Like sometimes this happens, SIM card chip get damaged, so that time SIM card gets no network. After inserting your SIM card, like on your phone it might show like there is no SIM card, or insert your SIM card, this message can pop up like no SIM, this type of thing. Now here you have to make sure your SIM card tray is not damaged and your SIM card is not damaged, like your SIM chip is perfect and there is no damage. So now I will insert my SIM card here, and after inserting I hope it will work perfectly, and I will show you the settings as well. So you have to press it harder, and now let's check on phone. See, both SIM is connected and both SIM is having the network signals. So it works, and thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I hope this video will help you out, and I will come with another solution based video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, and don't forget to subscribe MP World.